The Avena curvature is used for the bioassay of which among the following hormones? The answer is option C, IAA, that is indole acetic acid. So the Avena curvature test is a bioassay used to measure the activity of the hormone auxin, which is specifically indole 3 acetic acid, which is a type of a plant hormone involved in cell elongation and growth. So the test involves the use of Avena sativa, which is oat seedlings, to observe the curvature of the coleoptile, that is the embryonic leaf, in response to auxin application. So it involves applying the indole acetic acid to one side of an oat, that is the Avena sativa coleoptile, causing the cells on that side to elongate and the coleoptile to curve towards the hormone source. So this test helps assess the growth promoting effects of IAA or the auxin. So the answer is option C, whereas option A, B and D are incorrect answers.